Today we will do constructions of quadrilaters.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to our new exercise 17.2 under construction of quadrilaters. So today we will discuss some more constructions of quadrilater, like when angles and side. Here I will discuss some your exercise question directly here, and regarding construction you can write your own way in which you draw or which you construct the quadrilater. So here in your second question, I start from the second question because first, second, third questions are same type, only just sides measurement is different. So like here, like your second question, construct a parallelogram EBCD. You have given that EB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6.2 centimeter. That means you have two adjacent side measurement is given to you. So you very well know that in parallelogram opposite sides measurement is same. If AB is equal to 5.5, BC is equal to 6.2, CD must be equal to AB and BC opposite to BC, because if you draw the parallelogram like that, so if this is AB, this is BC and this is CD. So AB is equal to CD and BC must be equal to AD. So now how will you draw the diagram? Because here angle is on C. Only one angle is given to you. So how you can draw? So first you will think about very first you have to choose that side in which measurement of angle is given. Like here we have angle C is given 150 degree. So 150 degree is 30 degree more than 120 degree. So that means you have to select BC as my base side. So what we will do, first I will draw BC is equal to 6.2 centimeter. So here in the scale, first I will draw BC is equal to 6.2 centimeter here. So from the scale, you must be very cautious about your measurement. So here 6.2. So when you mark here, that is BC. So after that it is written that this angle C, your angle is 150 degree. So 150 degree is 30 degree more than 120 degree. First you will try to draw with the help of compass what is 120 degree. So first you should draw the angle with the help of compass. So with a convenient radius like 1 centimeter, so you can draw the semicircle like that. So don't move that one. So don't try to move this distance. So first arc, then second arc. So first arc means this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree, so this is 180 degree, because straight line gives you 180 degree. When you divide 180 degree into three equal parts, so that gives you 60 plus 60, 120 degree. 120 plus 180 is 120 plus 60 is 180 degree. So that means half of that 120 and 180, half of that is 30. So that gives you 150 degree. So what I will do, I will bisect this and this. So bisect means you have to divide 120 and 180 angle in two equal parts. So you just open that one, don't move that one. So this way you have to mark the arc. Cut the arc on the another side. Now try to join that one. So this is my point. So, okay, so that means up to this is 120, this is 60, plus 60, 120, plus 60, 180. So here when you do the half of 120 and 180, so 120 plus 30 gives you 150. So I join that one. So when I mark that one, I just join that one. So this is 150 degree. Okay, now next is given that BC, and here EB is given 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so now what you will do with this, because if this AB is this AB should be like that. So in front of EB, this is CD. That means here it should be a D point. So EB must be equal to CD. If EB is 5.5, this also be 5.5. So what I will do, I will just open the compass with the measurement 5.5 here, 5.5. So I cut as 5.5 here. Make a drawn an arc on the line as 5.5. So where this line and 5.5 distance cut, that point I mark as D point. Okay, now this is 5.5. Here, don't move that 5. Don't try to remove that 5.5. That same distance 5.5. Keep on the B point and draw another arc of here, because we need also A point. So this is 5.5. This is 5.5. What this I draw earlier, so that is 6.2. So what I will do, this is 6.2 centimeter, this is 5.5 centimeter. So I need here at a point at 5.5 centimeter from here and 6.2 centimeter from here. So what I will do, I already that compass which is already open 5.5. So I just try to make a bigger arc, because so that I can easily find the location of the A point. Now what I will do, I open this same distance here, like 6.2. I open it, keep at D point and try to cut that one arc. So where this 5.5 and here from 6.2 arc cut, we mark a point here. So this is my A point. Now you join A with B, then A with D. So this is my required parallelogram ABCD. Here 6.2 distance. So if I mark here as exact 5.5 distance from here. Okay, so it will be here at this point. So this is the exact point. So now you have to draw. This is A point. Because if little bit your compass is moved or measurement not accurate, so figure will not be accurate. So this is the parallelogram ABCD. That is a required parallelogram. But what happens if I have a rhombus is given, because in the rhombus measurement of all sides is same as 8 centimeter, and an angle Q, this is a 75 degree angle. 75 degree angles means 15 degree less than 90 degree. So for 75 degree, first you have to draw the 90 degree and subtract 15 degree from that, or you can move 15 degree back. So here what I will do, for draw the rhombus, first I will draw 8 centimeter here. So that is a side PQ. So now at point Q, I have to draw the angle 75 degree. So what I will do, first I will draw 90 degree angle here. First I will draw 90 degree angle here. Like this. You mark the second arc and bisect these two angles 60 degree and 120 degree, because center of 60 degree and 120 gives you 90 degree. So what you will do, because we need 75 degree angles, so you can draw that with the dotted line, so that you can easily go 15 degree back. So I draw with the pencil here. So now here, look at this. This is 60 degree, this is 90 degree. That means 60 to 90, this is 30 degree. But I need 15 degree here on this side. So what I will do, I just bisect these two angles. That means 60 to 90. I will divide this into two equal parts. So that will be half of the 30 gives you 15 degree. So this is your exact point of 75 degree. So here I will just join that point 75 degree. So this is 75 degree. So what I will do now, though all rhombus measurement is 8 centimeter, so I will mark 8 centimeter. So here, because it will go beyond, so like here you can extend up to 8 centimeter. So now to complete this quadrilateral, so what I will do, I just open this as 8 centimeter. What I mark it here 8 centimeter. So I will just mark an arc here with 8 centimeter and also with here 8 centimeter. So where it meet these two curves, cut at which point, so this starting from P, Q and this at 8 centimeter distance is R, because P, Q, R and F, fourth one will be S. So this is S point. Now you have to join that one, SR. So this way. So this is PQ. So this is the required rhombus PQR, where each side measurement is 8 centimeter and angle Q is 75 degree. Now next is your next question, question number 4. So that is the construction of quadrilateral when two included angles and three sides are given. So what happen if you have two angles is given to you and measurement of three sides is given to you? How you will draw that one? So first you will check about that on which line these two angles lies, like ER, that means RE is my selected line as 3.9. So what I will do, first I will select that line where two angles lies, so that is 3.9 centimeter. So what I will draw, so here, so this is 3.9 centimeter. So I draw a line as 3.9 centimeter here from the scale. So this is 3.9. So I mark it as R and E. So this is 3.9 centimeter. Now on angle E, my angle is 105 and here is 55 degree. 105 I can draw through the compass, but 55 degree not possible. Then we can use protractor to draw 55 degree. First I will draw angle E. So that is 105 degree. So 105 degree means 15 degree more than 90 degree. So first I will draw 90 degree here. So this way I will draw the 90 degree. First arc, then second arc, make the bisector of that 60 degree and 120 degree. So that is your 90 degree. So that means this point gives you 90 degree. This is a straight line on the E point. So here, now this is 90 degree, this is 120 degree, 90 degree, 120. So this is a difference of 30 degree and half of 30 is 15 degree. And when you add 15 to 90 degree, that is 90 degree plus 15 degree gives you 105 degree. So that means you need half of this 90 to 120 degree. So what I will do, I will bisect 90 to 120 degree into two equal parts like this. First one, second one. So when you join that one, that gives you 105 degree. So this is 105 degree. And on angle R, there is 55 degree. So I will use the protractor here. So you can keep the protractor center point on R. So if line, my starting line, initial line is from this side. So I start from here 0, 0, 10, because this is my initial line. From wherever my initial line is at, I have to start count degree from that. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and half of 50, 60 is 55. So I will mark it here. So this is my 55 degree angle. So what I will do, I just join. Before that I will check what is the next alphabet, R, E. This will be A. So is there EA distance is given to me? Yes, EA distance is given to me 4.3 centimeter. So what I will do, so I will mark from the compass 4.3 centimeter here. I just open the compass 4.3 centimeter. So I could draw an arc. So that will be my point A at 4.3 centimeter. Okay, now here also this point I marked at, because from here it will be my angle, because I will not dark that line because this is my imagination line. Measurement I have to go later regarding this measurement. So here what I will do, first I will just draw the simple line from that with this pencil. Okay, for marking the point, because we have no measurement of R, because R, E, A, next to alphabet will be D. So I have AD distance is given, but I have no RA distance is no given. So what I will do, so AD is 4.8 centimeter from A to D, wherever on this line, इस लाइन पे जहाँ पर भी D पॉइंट आप मार्क करोगे वो A से 4.8 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे होना चाहिए. तो आपने यहाँ पे, now you have to open the compass as 4.8 centimeter here. So when you open that 4.8 centimeter, so you will keep on the point A, then cut that line with an arc wherever it goes till 4.8 centimeters. That means where line and arc cut, because this point to this point distance is 4.8 centimeter. So this will be AD. So this is my fourth vertex of the quadrilateral. Now I join that one. So that will be AD and this will be RT. So this is my required quadrilateral. Here angle is 105 degree and here angle is 55 degree. Now my next question, last question of this exercise. So in this construct a quadrilateral WXYZ. WX is equal to 7.1 centimeter. XY is equal to 8 centimeter. Angle W 80 degree. Angle X 120 and angle Y 30 degree. So we choose that side in which both angle lies. So here it is XY is equal to 8 centimeter. So what we will do, first we will draw 8 centimeter as XY. So here I will draw first from the scale 8 centimeter here. So I will draw here 8 centimeter XY. Centimeter XY. On this angle X, here we have to draw 120 degree and here we have to draw 30 degree. So what I will do for 120 degree angle, so first I will make a line, make a semicircle as a center as X, here also as center as Y. So with same radius I will mark two arcs, 60 degree, 120 degree, here 60 degree. Half of 60 degree is 30 degree. So I will bisect 60 degree into two equal parts. So here this mark is 120 degree and this is 30 degree. So now what I will do, I will draw just joining these two lines here. This is 120 degree and this is 30 degree. Before draw the line 30 degree, so we must know the measurement of the next vertex. So here XY, next vertex is Z, because here when we move from this face X, Y, Z will be there. So I haven't YZ length is there, so I have WX, that is 7.1. So here on this line I will mark on 7.1 here 7.1. At 7.1 distance I mark a point, so this is 7.1 centimeter, so that is wx, because wx length is given 7.1. so xy is given 8 centimeter, 7.1. okay, now here it is given that on w, so there is an angle 80 degree. I have to draw 80-degree angle here, so 80-degree with the help of protractor. So here at the center point I have to mark the center of the protractor here. So this is my initial line. So this is my initial line starting from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 will be here. Okay, so this is a line of 80 degree. So what I will do, I just join that as 80 degree. So I just draw the line as wherever it goes. Okay, now here, okay, so what I will do, I just extend this line where it goes to meet the W line from start from the W. So here you have to draw that line. It does not meet directly to the W, because if you meet directly to the W, that becomes the triangle. So I have to just extend it, because this is 30 degree. So this is 120 degree, and this we have just draw, that is 80 degree. Okay, so we have to just extend that line only up to that where it meets, because this is 2 points. You have to produce that line up to W line. So here if I extend that one, so this will be meet at this point. So that point is Z point. So X, Y, Z, W is my required quadrilateral here.